So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand display adapters. Now you want to find your graphics card. You want to right click on it and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall again, which will then uninstall your graphics card. We're going to reinstall it again, don't worry. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that you're on the general tab. You want to select selective startup. You want to tick everything here. Next, you want to go to the services tab. You want to tick hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. And then click on OK. And then click on restart. Your computer is now going to restart. Wait for this to load. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on your computer name, which will now highlight it in blue. And now you want to click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. And you should now be seeing display adapters appear again right here. Next, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our software, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. If your graphics card has any driver updates, you want to download them. Make sure that your graphics card is fully up to date through your software. For the last step, you want to restart your computer again, and then the problem should be fixed.